Morning dear student, myself Ravinder, I am from JG Khalsa College of Pharmacy, Gurso Sudhar. Today we will discuss how to prepare 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, and to standardize it. For this purpose there are some requirements, like for the weighing purpose we need analytical balance or the electronic balance. Also we need weights and factor weights along with burette stand, volumetric flask, conical flask, hoopers, measuring cylinder and beaker, etc. And we need some reagents and chemicals like NaOH, distilled water for making up the volume, and oxalic acid. It is used for the standardization purpose, and it is also a primary standard. Next is phenolphthalein. It is used as a indicator. Next, we will discuss the procedure of making 0.1 normal NaOH. How to make 0.1 normal NaOH? As we know, normality 0.1 नॉर्मल है तो मीन्स हमने क्या है नॉर्मलिटी काउंट आउट करनी है. नॉर्मलिटी क्या होती है? द नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्वलाइज अपॉन क्या है हमारा 1000 लीटर सोल्यूशन आ जाएगा. नॉर्मलिटी कैसे काउंट आउट करते हैं कि हमें इसमें क्या है हमारा इक्विवेलेंट वेट लेना है. इक्विवेलेंट वेट क्या होता है? मॉलिक्यूलर वेट अपॉन एसिडिटी और बेसिसिटी. हियर आई एम टेकिंग NaOH. तो NaOH क्या है हमारा बेस है, तो यहाँ पे इक्विवेलेंट वेट क्या हो जाएगा? मॉलिक्यूलर वेट अपॉन your acidity. Molecular weight upon your acidity. The molecular weight of your NaOH is about 40. तो इसकी जो OH है यहाँ पे वो एक ही है. This is your divided by क्या हो जाएगा 1 and it is approximately 40. Molecular weight and equivalent weight of NaOH is equal, that is 40. If we need to prepare one normal solution, we will dissolve 40 gram in 1000 ml solution. It will give you one normal solution, one normal of NaOH. But in the lab, we need to prepare 0.1 normal solution. So, यहाँ पे मेरा क्या हो जाएगा? 4 gram solution in 1000 ml of solution. It will give you 0.1 normal solution. Here I require only less amount of NaOH, so I am taking 2 gram and I am taking it in 500 ml. It will also give you 0.1 normal of solution. Then here are the calculations for calculating the N1, that is your normality of your standard, that is oxalic acid. As we know, N1V1 is equal to N2V2. Here your N1 is weight of the substance in gram per liter upon क्या आ जाएगा? Equivalent weight of the substance. Weight of oxalic acid in gram per liter upon क्या है? Equivalent weight of oxalic acid. Then जो हमने लैब में वेट लिया है oxalic acid का, and I am taking it in the 250 ml of water. It is 1/4. 1.57 upon 250 into क्या आ जाएगा? Liter. Upon this is the equivalent weight of oxalic acid. The molecular weight of oxalic acid is 126. Then it is divided by 2 and it is equal to 63. Then this is your V1. V1 is the volume of measuring cylinder, that is 25 ml. This is the volume that I will take in the conical flask along with 1.1 ml of indicator. So this is your measuring cylinder volume that I take in the conical flask. Then B2 is the burette reading. I will take 3 reading approximately. Then we will take mean, and this is your B2. Then N2 is the normality of NaOH that is to be calculated. जो क्या है हमने calculate करनी है. Next, this is the table of your burette reading. Here I will take approximately 3 readings. Here this is my initial reading, then this is the final reading column, and then here we will quote the volume used. Let's start. हम क्या है 0 से start कर सकते हैं. Then accordingly we will calculate the readings. This is our final equation, that is N1V1 is equal to N2V2. Here N2 जो क्या है हमने calculate करना है N1V1 upon V2. N2 हमने यहाँ से क्या है अप्रोक्सीमेटली कैलकुलेट कर लिया था, दैट इज 0.099. इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 0.1 नॉर्मल, मीन्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली 0.1 नॉर्मल का ही सोल्यूशन है हमारे पास. तो here I am quoting 0.1 into क्या है मेरा, that is I am taking the measuring cylinder, that is your V1, that I am taking in the conical flask, अपॉन क्या आ जाएगा, जो मेरा V2 है वो क्या है हम कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग माई. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द कैलकुलेशंस. This is your burette and I have filled your NaOH solution in the burette and it is set on 0. So our initial reading is 0. Then here this is your conical flask and I have taken your oxalic acid solution in the conical flask. Now I am putting 1 to 2 drops of phenolphthalein solution. Then I am starting our titration, that is the neutralization of acid and base. See, there is a color change from colorless to pink. As we studied already that phenolphthalein will give your pink color as a end point. This is the correct procedure. By one hand you have to stir the solution and to allow your solution to pass. I am adding slowly the NaOH solution into my acid. See, there is a reflection of pink color, but at the end point it will give permanent pink color. See, this is my permanent pink color and reading is 24 ml. Now, this is my first reading. Initial reading is 0 and my final reading is 24 and volume used क्या आ जाएगा मेरा 24 ml. Now I am going to take my second reading. See, this is again set on 0. Now for the second reading I am again adding 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator and my burette is already set on the 0 mark and I am adding slowly again NaOH solution into my acid, that is oxalic acid, and we will wait till our end point is here. See, there is a light reflection of pink color in the conical flask. there is a permanent pink color. And my reading is 24.5. My reading is 24.5. Second reading is 24.5. See, my second reading, initial reading was again 0, and my final reading is 24.5 ml. So our volume used is 24.5 ml. Now I am going to take my third reading. The burette is again set on 0, and I am again adding NaOH into my oxalic acid slowly. See, there is again reflection of pink color starts. This is my permanent pink color. See students, this is my permanent pink color, and now my final reading is 22. See the meniscus, it is your 22 here. This is your 22. Third reading, the initial reading was again 0, and my final reading is 22, and here volume use क्या आ जाएगा मेरा 25 ml. Then here we will take mean of these three readings, 24 plus 24.5, and third reading is 22 divided by 3, and here their sum is approximately 70.5 divided by 3, and mean is approximately 23.5. Here my V2 क्या है, V2 क्या था मेरा, burette का रीडिंग का जो मीन आएगा, here this is your V2. Here we can put in this equation N2 क्या था, हमने जो नॉर्मेलिटी निकालनी थी, जो मेरा NaOH सोल्यूशन बना हुआ था, is equal to N1 क्या थी, नॉर्मेलिटी ऑफ योर ऑक्सैलिक एसिड, इनटू V1 क्या था मेरा, जो मैंने मेजरिंग सिलेंडर में मेरा एसिड डाला था उसका सोल्यूशन, अपॉन क्या है ब्यूरेट की रीडिंग, दैट इज V2. हियर हमारी नॉर्मेलिटी कितनी निकली थी ऑक्सैलिक एसिड की, सी दिस इज योर 0.1 नॉर्मल, 0.10 इनटू वॉल्यूम हमने कितना लिया है कॉनिकल फ्लास्क में 25 ml, एंड मेरा V2 कितना आ जाएगा यहाँ पे 23.5. हेयर ऊपर क्या आ जाएगा मेरा 25 अपॉन क्या आ जाएगा, सी आई एम कैलकुलेटिंग this. Here your 2.5 divided by 23.5. This is approximately, see, your normality is exact that we made in the lab, that is 0.1 normal. In the result, you have to quote that the normality of prepared NaOH solution in the laboratory is noted to be 0.1 normal. Thank you students.